guys, Biyernes ngayon. Pasok ulit ako bukas, pero this one, he wants to see the concert. There's a band here that's going to play tonight, so we're gonna watch that one. I don't really know this band. It's Cedar. They call it a Cedar band. So
we could go to the monster trucks tonight.
tingnan natin kung kung saan gusto niya. Bahala na siya. Bahala na si Batman. Kasi Friday night ngayon so gusto niya lumabas. So pagbigyan natin. Pagod na ako mga sis. Grabe. Kasi straight yung trabaho ko this week. Wala akong day off. Straight yung trabaho ko this week until next week. Tapos Saturday na yung day off ko. Tapos kinabukasan, yun na yun. So, straight ako ng work for like, how long? Like 12 days?
What?
Yata.
Yeah.
I'm working straight for like 12 days. So, yes, mga sis, itong buhay ko ngayon. Huwag nang mareklamo. Huwag nang magreklamo. So, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung Pima Fair. Kasi yung band na yun, doon sila magpi-play sa Pima Fair. So, yes. Parang sa atin, yung tinatawag na perya sa atin. Yun. We call it perya in the Philippines, honey. The Pima, the fair. We call it perya over there. Yung lahat ng mga rides na pwede mong sakyan, ganon. Pero ayoko ng rides, mga sis, kasi sumasakit ang beauty ko. Ang ulo ko. Ayoko ng rides na talaga. Dalang-dala na ako.
Okay, we could ride that one crazy ride.
Hell no.
That'd be a
I
great
just
vlog.
told them I'm not.
That'd be a great vlog.
I don't care if I don't have
Get
a
all your
vlog.
screaming
No.
shit. You're gonna get all
I don't
kinds
care
of-
if I don't have a vlog. I'm not gonna be screaming. I just told them that I'm not gonna do it.
Oh, there's a fire here. Maybe that's why everyone's slowing down.
Oh, there was a fire here. You can't really tell if there's
They're
a fire.
burning their weeds.
Oh, why did they slow down though?
Because that gets everyone's attention.
Oh gosh.
Chain
really.
reaction. See, now they're going faster.
Ignorante. They're
If
so
there's anything to look at, everyone's.
ignorante. Ignorante sila. May may nagsusunog dito, yung parang sa atin lang baga. Magwawalis tayo tapos sinusunog natin. Yun, meron dito. Kaya yung mga tao naging curious kasi hindi sila sanay. Yeah. Tingnan ginagawa niya.
Is this obvious?
You're crazy. You loca. It's too obvious. I think they're gonna cuff you.
About this.
Whatever. Pinasok na yung
So cold, honey.
tubig sa puwet niya. Bawal yata magdala ng tubig dito, kaya tinago muna namin yung tubig sa puwet niya. Dito na kami. Pasok tayo sa loob para makita niyo kung gaano kalaki yung perya nila dito, kung ano itsura ng perya nila dito. Pasok tayo sa loob, ha. Papakita ko sa inyo. Yung GoPro ko, gagamitin natin mamaya sa concert. I said I'm gonna use the GoPro in concert because the battery is draining so fast. We're wearing black. He's like, oh, you're gonna wear black.
Eggs are.
I know. Have they been eating like? They've been eating, honey, the whole life, the whole day. Man, that is so cute. Hi.
Hi there.
Aw, I don't like seeing them in the cage.
Somebody's trying to get the hay out.
Yeah.
Stop chewing up the bag.
You look like they're being fed the whole time, huh?
It's like a torture trying to get the food out. They're getting it out though.
So lahat dito na ano is mga kabayo siya. Pero tingnan nyo guys, yung kabayo, ang laki-laki ng kabayo. Grabe.
18 hands, 1,900 pounds.
His name is Prince. Very shiny.
18 hands. His belly, look
That's
up.
Al. Hi Al.
18 hands or 900 pounds.
This is Lester. Hi Lester.
Lester! Lester!
He's so big. He's calling the horse. There's Lester. Hi Lester. Oh my gosh guys, ang lalaki ng mga kabayo dito. Grabe. Yeah.
Their butt is way taller than our heads. Their butt,
Thank you.
their butt is like 6 feet tall.
I know.
Taller. The
Wow.
butt goes to like Greg's head.
Oh my gosh guys, ang lalaki ng mga kabayo dito. Grabe. Yeah.
Their butt is like way taller than our heads. Their butt,
Thank you.
their butt is like 6 feet tall.
I know.
Taller. The
Wow.
butt goes to like Greg's head.
So, yun lang ang adventure namin tonight. Nanonood sana kami ng band, kaso hindi namin nagustuhan yung music niya. Hindi talaga kami nag-enjoy kahit anong gawin namin. So, bumaba na lang kami doon sa galing doon sa kung saan sila nagpi-play. Bumili kami ng turkey Texas leg. That's one of my favorite. Yun ang pinakakaabangan ko kapag may Pima Fair dito. Every year pumupunta sila dito, tapos nagpiperya, tapos yung turkey Texas leg, napakasarap, parang bacon. So, yun lang talaga ang pinakaabangan ko sa tuwing may Pima Fair. Yun lang ginagawa namin. Nood sana kami nung band, kaso hindi namin nagustuhan. So, kumain na lang po kami. Tapos, nag-iikot-ikot kami. Tapos, ayun, umuwi na kami. Ngayon, 11:30 na. So, i-close ko na tong video na to. Gagamitin ko sana yung GoPro ko sa doon sa concert. Pero, hindi na kasi hindi maganda yung nila yung band nila So, never mind. At nag-enjoy naman kami kasi magkasama, tapos gustong-gusto niyang lumabas. So, yeah, naboboard kasi siya dito sa bahay. Siya lang mag-isa, ako ay nag-work. So, yun. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video, and hope you will enjoy this one. Hopefully, I'll see you next video. Good night, everyone. May pasok pa ako bukas. Bye-bye.